Hello everybody, we are Cringe Central. Due to current circumstances, classes have become mostly online. Lectures can be easily recorded and watched in the free time of the students. Because of this convenience, some weak-willed students like me find ourselves being lazy and piling up hours and hours upon lectures. Catching up to these lectures feel like a tough task to tackle, especially with the looming midterms or exam that will come up. We find that simply watching lectures at 2 times speed isn't good enough. There is just too little time. What we need is something that can summarize the lectures and make studying for concepts and catching up super quick and easy. Introducing our solution, Proxy Lecture. Proxy Lecture is a tool that can scour the lecture for important keywords and concepts. It greatly cuts down the time needed to go through the lectures by summarizing and compiling the terms that teaches the user the definitions and directs them to helpful resources to learn about these concepts faster. Here's our app. We start by clicking the Start Conversion button, which will bring us down to the drop zone for the files. Here you can see some instructions on how to use the app. Let's test the app out by first uploading a short excerpt from a Khan Academy video on cells. Now we hit go and the app starts processing the file. This may take a long time depending on the size of the file. Now here's the resulting page. You can see here on the left the video that's been uploaded, and on the right we have the full transcript. Now let's press the keyword definitions button. It'll bring down to the important part, keyword definitions. Okay, and this includes the names of the key terms, the definition of the terms, and the timestamps when the word is first said. So you can easily seek the video to that point and get all the important details about the associated concepts. Let's look for mitochondria, which is at 21 seconds.
It's called mitochondria. Mitochondrion cells. And they have inner and outer membranes.
Alright, if you want to learn more about the particular definition, because not much was said about it, you can click on the name. This will bring you to a YouTube page with the related videos. You can see here, this is one for mitochondria. If we go to another one like membranes and click on it, we get a video on membranes. This app also has a use case for the hearing impaired students that want to get a transcript for a lecture so that they can read the lecture over instead.
This chart shows the overall workflow of our app. First, the user uploads a video or a lecture. We then create a transcription of that video. Using the transcript, we can compare it with a word bank. Now, if the term is both in the transcript and the word bank, then it's a key term. After finding all our key terms, we can get their definitions. Finally, we can format these definitions and display them back to the user. Now, a few more details about our app. We built our app using Django and Firebase for the backend. We use Django as a normal web framework and Firebase to store user uploaded videos. Firebase storage is necessary to store longer videos. To interact with Firebase while using Python, we use Pyrebase, which is a Python wrapper for the Firebase API. Pyrebase can handle user authentication and other features, but we used it mainly for storing and downloading videos. The base of our project is the Cloud Speech-to-Text API. It takes an audio file and transcribes it. However, there are certain requirements, such as audio file formats and file storage locations. In our case, we had to use mono-channel wave audio and Google Buckets. Handling the definitions is straightforward. We used a Python library, PyDictionary, to define the keywords. Finally, we used Bootstrap for the front end. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our project. Ayo, pause. What the?